And that brings us to the Princess Theater. So the Princess Theater is in the very front of the ship. We're entering the Princess Theater on deck 6. You can also enter on deck 7, port or starboard. So I'm going to walk out here, but that's the Princess Theater, and it's big, but it's wide. So if you end up way over there, you're not going to really see the show very well. They do have reserved seats for people with a package.
And she is filming. Sandra is filming. Paul down there, she is filming. So no pressure. What happens on the cruise stays on Instagram and YouTube and all my social media platforms. All right. Okay. So first of all, let's look at your lovely wife there, or not wife, girlfriend, not that far, a girlfriend of 36 something years, 30 odd years. Give her a big wave. Go on. Hiya, Sandra. Hiya, Sandra. Look, it's me, Paul. Your boyfriend, I'm on stage, look at me, I'm so excited. Ooh, wee, and I just can't hide it. Oh, yeah. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. Oh, yeah. You are good. I knew it would be good.
Pressure, pushing down on me, pressing down on you, no matter what. It's time to run your train.
Children! What? Who's that laughing? About a third of the audience. So, 6. I'm working on it. Good luck. Thank you. I can't see. What? I can't see. Why not? I've got no eyes. I'll make you feel bad. It's only 4 years old. It's 4 years old. Oh, that's more like it. You are fully redeemed. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Wow. This is brilliant. Now, the reason I brought Charlie out, as I say, he's only 4 years old. Stop doing that. Stop shaking your hand then, you idiot. What a... Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you worry about a thing.
Nobody can tell you. There's only one song worth singing. They made Joey and the stallion, 'cause it hangs them on to see someone like you. But you gotta make your own kind of music, sing your own special song, make your own kind of music, even if nobody else is on.
You see the bottle? Watch. Do you hear the bottle? Check it out. It's gone. Yes? See? No. What? Is it gone? No, of course not. But watch. You see the empty bottle? Watch this. Listen. Did you hear that? Look. Now it's full. Ah! What now, kid? Hold on. What'd you say? Come on, tough guy. What'd you say? There's another bottle inside. Get out. I'll prove to you there's no extra bottle. I'll look inside. Nope, no bottle. Okay, I'll feel around. No bottle. Look, I'll turn the upside down. Ah, see? 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 All right, forget it. We'll do a different trick. It's fine. No, it's okay. No, I don't want it.
Bus stop where they see do this. We've got a 98-year-old birthday in the house this evening. 98 years old. It's incredible.
Here we now hold a bleak and unbearable world.
A total eclipse of the heart. Turn around, bright eyes. Turn around, bright eyes. Fall apart, 'cause I love you so.
So that's the Princess Theater.
Oh, there they are.
You Sky Princess Food and Beverage Team.
Try